Welcome to the Musicator Station. God bless you. Today I want to show you how to play your G major scale. As a beginning improviser, you need a major scale. You need to be rooted in your major scale. First, you need to know how to play in the inside before you want to go outside to play. So, let me just show you how to play your major scale. The letters involved in this scale is applicable to every other instrument that has to do with might be scaled instrument. So you need this. If you're playing piano, the letters will be the same. You're playing guitar to be the same if you want to play your G major scale. All right. That's a G major scale. We have the G, we have the A, we have the B, we have the C, we have the D, we have the E, we have the F sharp, and we have the G. That's the G scale. All right, you may want to stick around the scale by just trying some kind of exercises. Might be playing in 3 note succession, something like this. Or you may want to try the 4 note succession. So that's cool for you. So take your time and practice this. That's the size of our lesson today. Till I come your way, enjoy. Happy shading.